channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your 52th classes, and this has been of quantitative aptitude, where we had completed your 51th classes lastly, and that we had started with arithmetical ability. In arithmetical ability we had cover up here. In arithmetical ability, we had done your operations on numbers, the LCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, and then we had done your averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices that we have to start with it, and that has been the 9th topic of this arithmetical ability of quantitative aptitude, which we have to discuss here. So we'll discuss some of the laws of indices, then we'll discuss about the surds and laws of surds as well. So first we'll discuss about laws of indices. That is very important, and if you had not visited that, you just go ahead. Before starting with this, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So we'll go ahead with important facts and formula, which is of laws of indices. Laws of indices that we have to discuss here. So in laws of indices here, the first laws that we have to discuss is that is a power m into a power n, that is equals to a m plus n. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है जिसमें दोनों का बेस आपका सेम है एंड द पावर इज डिफरेंट एंड दे आर इन द मल्टीपल, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक द सेम बेस एंड you have to add those two powers, those two or more than two powers here. So we'll go ahead for the second laws of indices that we have to talk about. It is of a power m upon a power n, that is equals to a m minus n. So here जब a आपका बेस दोनों सेम है एंड पावर्स इज डिफरेंट ऑन डिनोमिनेटर साइड, numerator and denominator that is on division, then you will be subtracting the powers here. The third we talk about it, that has been your a power m whole power n, which is equals to a power m and n. So when you have your a power m and whole of n, then what you will do is you will have to multiply both the powers and you can just write it down with the same base, is of a m power n here. Next we'll go ahead for the fourth indices. We have laws of indices that we have is your a b power whole n is equals to means a power n and b power n here. अगर a b दोनों की पावर आपकी n है कोई, तो फिर आप क्या करोगे, a की पावर n and b की पावर n आप लिखोगे. Let's go ahead for the fifth one, that is a upon b की पावर n. अगर a upon b की पावर आपकी n है, you will divide it as form of a power n and b power n here. Now we'll go ahead with the sixth one that we have to talk about. It is was as a power 0, and that is a power 0. किसी भी नंबर की या किसी भी नंबर की अगर पावर 0 है, that should be equals to 1. Like for example 3 power 0 is equals to 1 only itself, and if you have your that is another one, we can talk about it, that is like 1000 power 0, it will be also equals to 1 only. So you have to consider about the same, and that what you have to answer it out here. You have to be very careful about it. Now we'll go ahead for the another one that we'll discuss about the surds as well and the laws of surds as well. So we'll go ahead for the same. So first we'll discuss about the surds. In terms of surds here, let a and a be a rational number where n be the positive integer such that a power of 1 by n is equals to n of a under root a here, that has been representing is an irrational. Then your n under root a is also called surd of order of n here. That what we have to talk about it. So I will just give you a laws of surds as well. Laws of surd. So laws of surds that we have to talk about, because we lots of indices we had talked about it, that is we have 6 here, but laws of that is we have the surds. So that is been the first we'll talk about n under root a is equals to a 1 upon n. The second law we have here is under root n ab equals to n under root a into n under root b. If you have your n in a into n ab, then you can just break it out by n a under root a and into n under root b. We'll have a third one, which is n under root a upon b, that is will be n under root a upon n under root b here. We'll talk about the fourth one, which is n under root a whole n, that will be equals to, of course, a. We'll talk about the fifth one, which is m under root n under root a here, which is equals to mn under root a. We'll talk about the sixth one, which is n under root a whole power m, that is equals to n under root a power m here. That will be the right answer for this particular questions here. Now we'll go ahead for the different questions that we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one and the first question of the sessions, we can say that. So let's go ahead for the same. The first question of the sessions, and the question is as follows. You have to simplify. What you have to simplify is 27 whole power 2 upon 3. Okay, it is like somewhat you have a power within division only, so you have to solve that, and when you are going to solve it out, you have to be very careful about it when you are going to solve here. So that is 27 2 upon 3. For the same, I will just solve it out here only. It will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. I just make it a power here and 2 upon 3. Is that okay? मैंने इसका power बनाया है, that is of 3 power 3 is your 27. 2 upon 3 is the same as what they had given you as in the question here. So what we'll do, when we'll take it the power outside, it will be 3 into 2 upon 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. It will be 3 power 2. 3 3s are, you know very well, 9. The answer you will get here. Okay, that these type of questions you have to solve like this only. Now we'll go ahead with the second question that you have to answer it out. That is also simplify. So that the number we have 1024 power minus 4 upon 5. So minus 4 upon 5, this is the power we have, and 1024, that is the number itself. You have to solve it out carefully here, whereas 1024 को अगर हम powers में करते हैं, it will be 4 power 5. Okay, so 4 power 5, you can just factorize those and you can just write it on for the same, and that it will get as well. So here was that also okay, then you are going to solve it out. So for the same, so we'll go ahead for the same, and that what we have to talk about it. And the power we have minus 4 upon 5. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll take powers common here outside. It will be 5 into minus 4 upon 5. It will be 4 and 5 will cancel it out here. So what we'll do is 4 power minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 को जब हम solve करते हैं, it will be 1 upon 4 to power 4. 4 like 4 that we have here is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 20, 64, 64 4s are, it will be your that is 256. 1 upon 256. That will be the right answer for this particular question here. Now we'll go ahead with another one that we have to talk about it. That is this being the third question of the sessions as well. And that is the question we have is your 8 upon 125 whole minus 4 upon 3. So we'll solve it out that as well. It will be 2 upon 5 3 minus 4 upon 3. We had break it out this 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is 2, and 5 5s are 25, 25 5s is 30, that is your 125 here. That what being good, that what we have to find it out as well. So on the same cases we take as power, it will be 2 upon 5 3, we take it as outside into minus 4 upon 3. 3 being 3 cancelled out, it will be equals to that is here 2 upon 5 whole power minus 4. When we'll just reciprocal it out, we'll take it as denominator. It will be 5 upon 2 power 4. When 5 power 4 and 2 power 4, that what we have to go ahead. This is 2, sorry. So it will be 5 power 4 and 2 power 4. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 upon 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, it is 16. So 625 upon 16, that will be the right answer to this question. We'll talk about the another question, that is we have here the fourth question of the sessions as well. That is to evaluate, we have to evaluate these. So we have to evaluate these, and questions we have here is 0.00032 power 3 upon 5. That what we have to solve it out as well. So we'll do that. What we'll do is 1 2 3. We have a 3 here, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5. So it will remove decimal and we'll make it out as a denominator. That has been 32 and 5 zeros there down, and then whole of 3 upon 5. It will be 32, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are is 32. So it will be 2 power 5 upon, यहाँ पे 5 zeros है, so we'll take as 5 10 to the power 5 whole of 3 upon 5. Then what we will do, we'll take it 2 upon 5, that is 2 upon 10, that is whole of 5 whole upon 3 upon 5. Then 1 upon 5, bracket by 5 into 3 upon 5, 5 being cancelled by 5, it will be 1 upon 5 whole 3, which is equals to 1 3 1 1s are 1 1s is your of course 1 only, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s is 125. That will be the right answer for this particular question here. Now we'll go ahead with another one that we have to talk about it, and that has been the fifth question of the sessions here. So fifth question of the session that we have to discuss as well, that has been the important one. So the question we have 256 0.16 into 16 0.18. So we'll solve that. So which has been as follows is 16 power 2 0.16 into 16 power 0.18. When we further solve it out, it will be 16 2 into 0.18, 16 into 16 0.18 will equals to 16 0.32 into 16 0.18. Then 16 0.32 plus 0.18, 16 0.5 and 68 1/2, which is equals to 4. That we have as an answer. Now we will be going ahead for the another important question, that what we have to talk about it, and even though which is also an important one here, which has been the new and the another question, that has been the sixth question of the sessions as well. We'll go ahead for the same here. The question is being said here is, what is the quotient when x e power minus 1 is equal -1 is divided by x minus 1? That's what we have to talk about it, and let's go ahead for the same here. That is yours, the sixth question here. The question is, what is the quotient when x minus 1 is divided by x minus 1. That's what we have to talk about here. That is being the important one. X minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equals to 1 upon x minus 1 upon x minus 1. 1 minus x upon x into 1 upon x minus 1. That is equals to minus 1 upon x. So hence the required quotient is minus 1 upon x, that we have as an answer. We'll go ahead with another one that has been the 7th question of the sessions as well, and that has been also important one. Let's go ahead for the same. We'll go ahead for the 7th question of the session. The question is, if 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 1280, then find the value of x here. We'll go ahead for the same. If 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 equals to 1280, then find the value of x. That we have to talk about it. So it will be 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 equals to 1280. That is 2x minus 1 plus 2 power 2 equals to 1280. That is equals to 2x minus 1 equals to 1280 upon 5. 256. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, which are 2 is 5 fives are 25, and then 3, then 5 6 are 30. So 256, and that is being equals to 2 power that we have is your 8. So x minus 1 equals to 8. This minus will come here, and that will be plus 9. So it will be equals to x equals to 9 here. So hence what we'll get is your x equals to 9. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that has been the 8th question of the session. The question we have is find the value of 5, 8 1 by 3 plus 27 1 by 3 power 3 1 upon 4 here. That we have to solve it out. That has been the important as well. Let's go ahead for the same, and that is really important here. We'll go ahead for the same. So we'll go ahead for the finding it out, the 8th question of the solutions that we have to talk about it. We'll go ahead. 5, 8 1 by 3 plus 27 1 by 3 whole 3 upon 1 upon 4, which is equals to 5 2 power 3 1 by 3 plus 3 power 3 whole 1 upon 3 equals to 3 and whole 1 upon 4, which is equals to 5 2 3 into 1 upon 3 plus 3 into 1 upon 3. So these 3 being calculated out by 1 by 1. That will be 3 1 upon 4. For that it will be equals to 5 2 plus 3 twice 3 1 upon 4, which is equals to 5 into 5 power 3 1 upon 4 equals to 5 power 4 1 upon 4 equals to 5 4 into 1 upon 4. This 4 being 4 cancel it out, it will be 5 power 1. That means it means is equals to 5. 5 power 1 means 5 here. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. We'll go ahead with another one that has been the another here is your 9th question of the sessions as well. That find the value of 16 power 3 by 2 plus 16 power minus 3 by 2 here. We'll go ahead for the same. Find the value of 16 power 3 by 2 plus 16 minus 3 by 2 16 3 by 2 plus 16 minus 3 by 2 4 2 3 by 2 plus 4 power 2 minus 3 by 2 equals to 4. 2 into 3 upon 2, 2 into cancel it out, plus 4, 2 into minus 3 by 2, 2 2 cancel it out here, which is 4.3 plus 4 minus 3 equals to 4. 3 plus 1 upon 4 power 3 equals to 4 4 is 16, 64 is 20, 64 plus 1 upon 64 equals to, and that is being 4097 upon 64 here. 64 64 is that we talk about it, multiply it, so 4096 plus 1 4097 upon 64 here. That will be the right answer for this question as well. And next we go ahead with the 10th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one as well here. So we will be going ahead for the same, which has been important here. That has been here the 10th question here. That is what we have to talk about it is the question, that is your if 1 by 5 of 3y equals to 0.008, then find the value of 0.25 power y. That what we have to talk about it. 1 upon 5 3y equals to 0.008 equals to 8 upon 1 2 3. So we'll go ahead, and that what we are going to solve it out as well, and that is being the importantness here for the same. It is 1 upon 125. When we open it out, this 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. That is being equals to 1 upon 5 की power 3. Further it is equals to 3y equals to 3 and y equals to 1 here. For the same, 0.25y equals to 0.25 1, 0.25. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. We'll go ahead for the next question that we have to talk about it. This has been the 11th question of the sessions as well. That has been important. So find the value of this has been 243 power n by 5 into 3 to n plus 1 whole upon 9 की power n into 3n minus 1. So for the same we have to solve it out here, is being as follows, and that what we have to talk about. 3 power 5 n upon 5 into 3 2n plus 1 upon 3 power 2 power n into 3n minus 1. So that is being equals to 3 5 into n upon 5 upon, this is being into 3 2n plus 1. This is 3 2n into 3n minus 1, which is equals to 3n into 3 2n plus 1. 5 and 5 cancel it out, plus 1 upon 3 2n into 3n minus 1. It is further 3n plus 2n plus 1. We have a power base same. We had add on 3 2n, they are in multiply, what we had told you the formula in the starting in this class only, plus n minus 1. So it will be n plus n plus that is 1 we have. So for the same we go ahead and that what we have to talk about it, and on the same behalf of it we'll have to solve it out as well. So for the same sake we have to figure it out, and that what we have to even though answer it out. Go ahead, that will be 3 2n plus 1, n plus n is 2n plus 1 upon 3 2n plus 1 is your that 3n and minus 1. So 3n minus 1, which is equals to 3n plus 1 minus 3n minus 1 equals to 3 power 2, that is equals to 9. 3 is a 9. Okay, so it will be plus 3n and minus 3, and this one cancel. Minus 1 is plus, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3 power 2 equals to 9. 3 3 is a 9. That will get here as an answer. Now we'll go ahead with another question, that is being the question number 12th question of the sessions as well, that is being important. The question is, find the value of 2 power 1 by 4 minus 1, 2 power 3 by 4 plus 2 power 1 by 2 plus 2 power 1 by 4 plus 1. This is being asked in your NIFT examination paper. That is also being important here, and that is we have to go ahead as well, and that is being important. So let's go ahead for the same, and that was also important for the same, like putting 2 1 by power 4 equals to x. We get 2 1 by 4 minus x, 2 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 4 plus 1 equals to x minus 1, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, where x equals to 2 1 by 4. So we'll do it, x minus 1, x square, x plus 1 plus x plus 1. So that is being equals to x minus 1, x plus 1, x square plus 1, that is being equals to x square minus 1, x square plus 1. So it will be x power 4 minus 1 equals to 2 1 by 4 power 4 minus 1 equals to 2 1 by 4, 4 and 4 cancel it out, minus 1 is equals to 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1 here. Now we'll go ahead for the another question, is the 13th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it, and that is also being important here as well. We'll go ahead with the 13th question here. Find the value of 6 power 2 by 3 into 3 under root cube power 7 whole upon cube 6 power 6 here. So for the same, we'll find it out for the same. 6 power 2 by 3 into 3 6 power 7 upon cube 6 power 6 equals to 6 power 2 by 3 into 6 power 7 1 by 3 upon 6 power 6 1 by 3. For the next, 6 2 upon 3 into 6 7 into 1 upon 3 upon 6 6 into 1 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. That is being equals to 6 2 by 3 into 6 7 by 3 upon 6 power 2, which is equals to 6 upon 2 upon 3 into 6. This minus 2 plus 2 will be go up and will become minus 2. So 6 7 upon 3 minus 2. Then 6 2 upon 3 into 6 1 upon 3. It will be power. The base is same, so we'll add it on. 6 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equals to 6 power 1, and that is being equals to 6 here. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well, and that is being important too. Let's go ahead for the another one, that what we have to talk about it, and that is being the another here, and which is also an important one. So in the same cases, when we are going ahead here in the detail, we'll have to solve it out and we'll have to find out for the same, and that has been the 14th question we have to start, and we'll go ahead for the next coming class here only. And before ending it up, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well, that what we are uploading here, you will get the information as well. So on the same cases, before ending it up, as I told you, we had completed your sociology and software engineering. Other than that, we are dealing with your chemistry, where we had completed unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9 we have started with, and surely will complete that soon as well. Other than that, we're talking about, so we are dealing with the reasoning here, that is we had completed your verbal reasoning, which has been your that has been general mental ability in the logic reasoning, and non-verbal reasoning we had completed series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, incompletions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, and grouping of identical figures as well. And then we are dealing with rule detections, and then after that we'll have to do the cubes and dices as well. After that, talking about in terms of quantitative aptitude, this has been divided into two sections. This has been your arithmetical ability and the data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we had done your operations on numbers, SCF and LCM of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, source and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, phi consistent, time and distance, problems on train, ports and streams, allegations or mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and shares, commutations and combinations. And then we had done probability through discount, banker discount, heights and distance, odd and odd series. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulation, bar graph, pie charts and line graphs as well. So here we'll be ending it up, and it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.